How to fix PowerPoints not displaying pictures on Windows. So if your pictures in PowerPoints are missing, showing up blank, or turning into empty boxes, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. We'll disable hardware graphics glitches, fix broken image parts, and use PowerPoint's built-in repair tools to get your images displaying properly again. Let's begin. Okay, so first let's turn off hardware graphics acceleration and stop PowerPoint from over-compressing your images. So just open PowerPoint, and then if you're not here, just click on File from your project, and then in the bottom left, choose Options. Then on this left side menu, choose Advanced here. Then scroll down the Image Size and Quality section. Scroll down here, right here, there you go. And then tick Do Not Compress Images in File, like this. And next, scroll down to Display. It's going to be this section right here. And tick the box for Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Alright, so if you have it, just find it here. I don't really have it, I guess. And then just tick the box and press OK to save changes. And also don't forget to restart your PowerPoint after that. Next, if your file is saved on a USB drive or unsynced cloud folder, broken file parts can and might be hiding your images. So just copy your presentation file straight into your local C drive or desktop before opening it. Once opened, click on File, and then select Save As. Then click Browse, and choose New Local Folder, give it a slightly different file name, and click Save. Saving a fresh local copy forces PowerPoint to rebuild its internal media cache and reload your pictures properly. And your pictures should now display completely normally across your slides. So if this video helped you out today, don't forget to press thumbs up on the video and subscribe.